Whenever I have chocolate, I always sneeze once. That was delicious, but I probably should have gotten the ice cream. Ice cream is always a good choice. I know you're just dying to hear my opinion of flying on Delta One. Well, here it is. It's amazing. It makes flying actually fun because I'm not crammed in with a million other strangers. Got my own little booth, and all you gotta do is sit back, watch TV. They feed you for the first hour and a half, and then maybe take a nap. And that's all I want to do. I'm gonna finish watching this movie, The Creator. Then I'm gonna go to sleep, and then I'm gonna have breakfast and wake up in Seattle, and it's gonna be glorious. I do want to just say a couple of things real quick. One, this has been the trip of a lifetime. I recognize that I'm very, very fortunate and very lucky to be able to do this. So I by no means am taking this for granted. Two, I have met some incredible people on this trip. I mean, from the locals to other tourists to people who've been traveling for 6 months or even longer, and then people who are on their 2-week holiday. Like, it just gives me more faith in humanity. People are better than you think. And in general, people just want to have a good time. So I think we need to give each other a little bit more grace. I'll get off my soapbox. So with that, I think I'm gonna just kick back, watch a movie, maybe take a nap. So I'll see you in a little bit. Welcome to Seattle.